Leland.
The report.
Thank you.
Mr. Freeman, please, sir. All right, Mr. Freeman.
But the guy in this section calls me Alan.
Yes.
What doesn't that inflame you with jealousy?
You know how important this is to our whole organization. Now, the Utronic design team and the equipment are ready to be picked up in Los Angeles and flown here to England. Now, I'm making you responsible for the security of the entire operation. I mean you, personally.
Right.
Wow, must be quite a while since you landed an SST.
Just let's say it's part of the personal service.
Shadow Control, this is Seagull X-ray.
Firm arrival to Stevenson Base, Los Angeles, 0835. Takeoff schedule, 1100 hours.
Roger, Seagull X-ray. Roll Moonbase, will you? Yes, sir.
Shadow control for you, Lieutenant. Right. Lieutenant Ellis?
Good morning, Gay. I think I might have some action for you. I want Moonbase to put on yellow alert from 1045. Track Seagull X-ray. Now it's carrying Shadow VIPs and the Utronic equipment. So let's keep everybody on their toes. Can't afford to take chances.
Roger.
Put Skydiver in the picture.
Yes, sir.
Message from Shadow Control Center. Yellow alert at 1045.
Right. And last entry. Did you send it?
Yes, sir.
A refueling schedule. Transmitted on security code B.
Sorry, sir.
How long have you been with us, Ford?
Just over 2 years, sir.
2 years. Long enough to know how important security is to Shadow. Now look, this headquarters, controlling Moonbase, the satellites, and a fleet of submarines, is 80 feet below a film studio, right? Now 400 people work up there, and not one of them knows all this exists. I have to play games, pretending to be the studio's chief executive. No one even dreams what my real function is. That's what security's all about. I'm sorry, sir.
Stevenson Base, this is Seagull X-ray. Liftoff check complete.
Liftoff clearance. Roger, Seagull X-ray. You are clear to go.
Sir? 1045. Right.
Brace.
Airspeed building. 130. 140. 160 feet 1. VR. 408.
Red alert. Red alert. UFO 428. 146 green.
Get there, warn Skydiver, and get me Alec Freeman.
Yes, sir. Gentlemen, Miss Lake, Shadow Control has just informed me that a UFO is approaching the rocket lat. I'm afraid we must assume that this aircraft is a target. We're going to reduce height in order to gain the advantage of cloud cover. This will mean we'll have to reduce speed, but of course in a dense atmosphere, so will the UFO.
Presumably that increases Shadow's chances of intercepting it.
Yes, it does. I'd fasten your seatbelts if I were you.
Position 020. Red.
Roger, Sky 1.
UFO at 12 o'clock. Coming into attack.
UFO landed cloud layer. Keep a sharp lookout.
Roger. Order steady.
Reporting direct hit on UFO.
Got a caution at the sea.
Good shooting, Sky 1. Come in, Seagull X-ray. Alec, are you okay?
I've aged about 5 years, but we're still in one piece.
Hello, Sky 1. Follow it down, Captain.
Use your reconnaissance, Alec.
Roger, will do.
Straight under. It seems to be breaking up. Oh! There's a body.
Please confirm. Did you say body?
Yes.
It's a body.
Yes.
Mainland Hospital, Shadow Section. Your special patient has arrived, sir. We will use underground corridor 32, Shadow Medical Center.
Right. What's the position, Doctor?
Alive and in a critical condition. Excuse me.
What are the chances of survival?
Well, he was equipped with an advanced apparatus that enabled him to breathe liquid. The helmet was removed as soon as he was picked up, and a attempt was made to restore normal breathing. Problem is that there's still some liquid left in his lungs. So it's too early to say yet. Excuse me. Space travel in a liquid environment. The very thing we've been experimenting with.
Yes. Well, apparently they've done it. I must ask you to leave now. Right. Let me know the moment you have anything, Doctor.
I'm afraid she's dead.
The rapid aging isn't documented in the report. We're not sure why it happened, but it's certainly connected with reaction of Earth's atmosphere on the body.
Now, gentlemen, let's concern ourselves with the three main questions regarding UFOs. One, where do they come from? Well, the fact that the lungs were filled with an oxygenated liquid seems to indicate a subjection to phenomenal acceleration at fantastic speed over a long period, long enough for the skin to pick up the green coloration of the liquid. Now, all this would appear to add up to an extended journey through space, perhaps several months, at many times the speed of light. Question number two, who are they? Well, obviously, in science and technology, several hundred years in advance of man. Everything in this report seems to add up to a dying race. Hereditary sterility was evident, but by using drugs and advanced transplant techniques, they could have found a way to stop the natural aging process. They're also highly intelligent, so they presumably come to Earth knowing the risk of contact with our atmosphere. Which brings us inevitably to question number three. Why do they come? This report indicates 5 major organ and gland transplants. In the case of the heart, tissue compatibility test shows that it was human in origin. It came from Earth, gentlemen. Therefore, one of the reasons they must obviously come is to obtain organ replacements. Yes. It would appear they are driven by circumstance across 1 billion miles of space, driven on by the greatest force in the universe. Survival.